Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to disable the auto brightness on your Android permanently and you are wondering how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So we just dive right in and get started. Open up settings for that, and once your settings opens up, we can scroll down and find the display option and tap on it. Now you just need to look out for the option called adaptive brightness. Tap on it. And if this option is turned on, you can turn it off by tapping on this option right there. And that should probably do it. Your screen will stop adjusting automatically. Or we have this brightness slider right here, right above the adaptive brightness. So you just need to adjust the brightness slider to your desired level. This setting will now be permanent until you manually change it again. And if you can't find it here, what you can do is you can use the search bar at the top. In there, directly type in adaptive. And once you find it up, tap on it. And you can turn this option off right here. And that is how you do it. So that's it, everybody. This is a very simple and easy method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.